Alright guys, so this is going to be repair number 4, I think. This is the bottom drawer under the stove here, and you can see that it's not held down properly to the back. So when I press down on this, there's a frame back here that's supposed to stop these from riding up, and it's come loose. It's only held in by one screw in the middle, and I think that one screw was probably not run in at a very good angle, so it's not sitting in the floor very well. So my goal today will be to pull this out, re-level it, get it set up so that it's operating the way it's supposed to, and then maybe run 3 screws across it in succession so that it's held down better. Alright, this video probably isn't going to go too well here in this clip because it is so dark in the cabinet, but you can see if I zoom in, I've added a screw to the outside of each edge here. One here, one in the middle. There was the original factory screw, and I'm going to slide the drawer back in. So this is pretty much a lemon squeezy type fix. And as you can see here, the drawer now operates smoothly. So that wasn't too bad.